challenges brought about by COVID-19 pandemic need to be overcome. We need to embrace technology to overcome some of the challenges. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create and effectively use a virtual e-learning platform called Google Classroom. Google Classroom can be used by a variety of institutions, if not all, to administer the best e-learning classes worldwide. Stay tuned, for I will provide you with a series of tutorials on how to create Google Classroom and how to use it effectively. My name is Jonathan Musau, and my channel is called Jonathan Musau Operating, and my company called Ilmu Production. Be my guest. After creating your Gmail account, sign in using your browser in your laptop or desktop. Then click on the 9 dots which are on the top right corner, the 9 dots which show the Google apps. When you click on those dots, you'll be able to get the apps that are owned by Google, and scroll down until you get Classroom. Scroll down until you get Classroom. Click on Classroom, and once you click on Classroom, it will straight away start creating a new classroom for you. So if this is the first time you are doing it, it will bring a window like the one you are seeing, and it will show the email that you are signed into, and then you click on continue. You click on continue. When you click on continue, it takes you to another window which looks like this, and then on the top right you'll see a plus sign. Click on that plus sign, which has two options: join and create. Remember, you are creating a class for your institution, so you are not joining. It is the learners who will join. So you click on create. You click on create. Once you click on create, it will take you to another window, and then this is where you'll accept the terms. You are supposed to accept the terms, so you check on that box, and then you click on agree in order to continue. Then once you're done, now it brings you to a window where you are supposed to set up now your class. For example, the name of your class. In my case, I've just used Ilmu class. Fill in other details for your class, like the section. For my case, I'm just going to type 001, and then you're also supposed to put the subject and also the room. So fill the details that you want to be appearing in your virtual class. So fill the details that you want to appear in your virtual class. Once you are done with that, you click in order to continue. And this takes you to now the Google Classroom. This is now the Google Classroom that you are creating. The first item you see on the left is stream. And this item stream, this is where you can post announcements to your learners, maybe on upcoming events or any announcements that you want to make. So stream is for streaming with your learners, upcoming events, or anything else that you want to stream. Below the name of your class is your class code. This class code can be used to invite your learners to join the new classroom we have created. So in the next tutorial, I will show you how to invite your learners using the class code. In the meantime, you know that the class code is unique, and you can copy it so that you can invite your learners in the new classroom you have created. Now we want to change the theme, the appearance of the class, the background. We can select among the themes that Google have provided. So we select a theme. Depending on the class that you have created, we look for a good theme that suits your class. So there are several themes that are provided. So you select one of the themes. And if you don't want any of those ones, you can also upload your own photo. A photo that meets the specifications that they want can also be uploaded. So if you don't want to select any of these, you can go to option 2 and upload your own photo for your class. The next item is classwork. Classwork, I will spend some time here in the next video to explain how to use classwork, for it is one of the major things in Google Classroom. This is where you create assignment for your learners, you post assignments, quiz, materials in different forms. So here I will spend some time in the next video to explain to you how to use this. For example, if you want to create an assignment, you can see it's giving you a guide on what you can do with that assignment. You can first read what the Google Classroom is telling you about the assignment. Then in this assignment, you need to have a title for your assignment. The heading of the assignment you are posting to your learners. You need to put it there so that when the learners are looking at their Google Classroom, they're able to understand what type of assignment they're about to open. So for my case here, I've just written a title, how to create a Google Classroom. Then down here we have instructions on how you want that assignment done. It's optional. And then down here we have add. There are several things that we can add to this assignment. We can add something, a file or video which is in your Google Drive. You can add a link. It's very important. I will teach you a lot about it. You can also add a file. So you can add many things using these materials you are shown here. So the next item is people. This is where you invite the core teachers who are going to teach. It's written teachers. This is where you invite the teachers who are going to teach in your class. So if you want to add a teacher to teach in your class, you just click on that sign there, and then you put the email of that teacher. You put the email of that teacher, and once you put it correctly, you should be able to see the email appearing down here if it's an active email. If it's an active email, it should show down here after you put it. Google will be able to recognize it, and then after it comes down here, you just click on it so that it can be uploaded there for invitation, so that you can be able to invite. Then you click on invite down there so that you can invite the teacher to join to teach in your class. So after you invite the teachers, you can now move to students, pupils, learners. If you want to invite learners, you click there, and you can invite by a method of link or by the method of email. So you can copy the link and you send to your pupils or learners, or you can If they have emails, you invite them through their emails. You just add the email, the Gmail, and then you click on invite down there. So, and the last item is about grades, how you grade your learners after they have done the work. I'll be able to teach you in the next lesson how you're supposed to grade. So there's a lot to be learned in Google Classroom, and for now I feel I should end there and stay tuned for the next lesson which is about to come. Thank you.